back to the channel. As you can see, today you're joining me on my patio. It is about to be a very exciting day for me, a day that I've been looking forward to for quite some time now. I am going to get started with work on my patio. I'm actually not sure why I'm talking so soft, but it is very early in the morning and I feel like I'm disturbing the quietness. But anyways, my handy guy is stopping by today to get started on work here on the patio. So this is just a quick look of what the patio is looking like now, especially the floors, because that's going to be the main focus of this makeover. But this is what the floors are looking like now, kind of from a different angle. So this is what the floors used to look like prior to me painting them. It's just really kind of orange color tiles, which I absolutely do not like. So I do went ahead and paint them. But anyways, today the whole thing is gonna get removed and I'm gonna put my dream tiles are gonna get placed. These are the tiles. I don't think I've ever showed you a little bit up close of the tiles, but these are the tiles that I had delivered. My handy guy actually, today's day 2 of the renovation, and my handy guy actually went through one palette already. So this is what I have left for now. We still have ways to go because do you know what? I did not realize how large my patio space is, especially lengthwise. It's quite lengthy. So anyways, this is what I have left over for right now, even though we still have ways to go. Actually, he does. He has ways to go. So these are the tiles. Let me just bring it a little bit closer. I absolutely love these tiles. They're perfect for like outdoor areas or areas in your home that's high traffic. Good morning, friends. So today is, I think it's day number 5 of this makeover, and oh, I'm still just so in love with those floors. I could not wait to wake up and come outside and check out this gorgeous floor. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. I cannot wait for it to be all complete. I think we're gonna go to day 4 or day 5 because it still does have not so much to complete behind me, but so far, I'm just absolutely loving these floors. So, friends, this is it. My patio floors is finally complete. Honestly, I am so excited. It looks so beautiful to have this vision in my head and to finally see it in person now. I am just over the moon. It is just so beautiful. This was exactly what I've envisioned. This is exactly what I've wanted. And yeah, to see it finally in person, oh my goodness, I just love it. So today I'm going to be putting my patio back together. I'm going to start bringing in all the furniture pieces and get it ready just in time for the perfect season here in Florida, our winter season. I just absolutely love that time of the year here in Florida. It's just so beautiful, and I literally live outside during this season. So it's the perfect time to get this patio complete and get it ready and cozy for our winter season here in Florida. So I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer so you can see the floors. I did went with this matte tile, which I think it's perfect for exterior or in the bathroom, just because it's not as slippery when it does get wet. Because of course we are outside, and sometime when it does rain, a little sprinkle gets here on the floors. So just for safety, I went with these matte tiles, and I think it was just the perfect decision. So I'm going to go ahead now, bring it a little bit closer so you can see the floors, and then we're going to start putting this floor together. But yeah, I am just so excited. So friends, first things first, I'm going to start by bringing in the carpets. I do have two carpets for this area. So I have one for this space right here, and I have one for the seating area down there. So I'm going to start with those, and then afterwards I can continue with bringing in the furniture pieces. Okay, friends, so I've went ahead and brought in my chairs, my patio chairs, and this is what they're looking like in this area right now. Absolutely loving them. And these are the covers that I did show you that I did purchase from Amazon. I absolutely love them. They literally goes perfectly with this little area right here. I just love it. And just a little side note, these roses right here, they're currently in bloom and they smell so amazing. I absolutely love them. Sitting right here and getting a quick little whiff of the aroma is just so beautiful. But anyways, let's continue on with making over this patio space. Okay, so next thing that I do want to bring in for the space is the coffee table that we did unbox together. Okay, friends, so this is the top for the coffee table. I don't know if you can see down here. You can probably have a little sneak peek of what the coffee table is gonna look like. But this is the top half. So I must say, as much as I do not like to do assembly, this was pretty easy. Pretty straightforward, not too many pieces or screws. I really like this. So now that the coffee table is all assembled, now it's time to, oh my gosh, it got even heavier. How am I gonna move? Ooh, how am I gonna move this? Oh, it got heavier. Oh my gosh, I love this coffee table. I really love it. I really love it. Okay, let's try to turn it over without breaking it. This is such a nice coffee table. I'll definitely link it down below just in case you're interested. But oh, this is very nice. The perfect size for that area over there. Okay. All right. Okay, friends, so I literally just got back home and I did found a few things, and I'll show you these a little bit up close when I do get back on the patio. So I just came back in from IKEA, and this was the kind of a lantern that I did purchase. I love this natural raffia material. I do have one already, which was already there, but I do want to do something like this where I have them at different height. I think that would look really nice. So that's the plan. Stop at Home Goods because I was looking for a few art pieces, and I did found these, which I absolutely love here, which is black. What I do want to do is paint the edges here or the frame black, because I think it would look so much better and it would provide like a nice contrast to the white walls, which I absolutely love. So the original price on this was $79.99. That's crazy. That's crazy expensive. But anyways, it was marked down to $18, and one of them does have a crack at the bottom here. It's a little bit broken, but that's nothing. A little crazy glue can immediately fix that. So that's what I'm going to do to fix that. But I did ask the manager if that's the lowest price it can do. And he did mark it down to $15, which I thought was really, really good. So I've purchased two of these really large art pieces for 30 bucks plus tax, which is really good. Okay, friends, so I am in my garage, and as you can see here, I did went ahead and paint the parameter of this artwork, and I absolutely love it so much better. So this is the before, and this is the after, and oh my goodness, it looks so much better than the beige parameter. I don't know why they painted in this beige color, but I guess you could paint it in any color that you choose, but as long as it match the interior artwork. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I absolutely love it so much more. It's gonna bring such a nice contrast to my white walls instead of having this beige color. That's, I feel like it would just disappear and it wouldn't provide like that pop of contrast or that pop of color that I was looking for the walls. So absolutely love this. Are the two kind of lampshades that I will be placing here. I probably should have put them out before I put the table here. But let me grab my little ladder real quick, and I'll attempt to put these up with the table right there. So this is what the area is looking like so far. Please excuse the birds or ignore the birds in the background. I am in the garden after all, but this is what the space is looking like so far. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. So beautiful. I love it. Okay, so now I need to go ahead and start styling up the coffee table. As for the coffee table, I'm not going to be doing it too much. I'm just going to keep it really simple and natural with some plants and some books. So let's get started with that. I absolutely love the coffee table. Again, it is from Wayfair, and I'll definitely link it down below. But it's just such a beautiful coffee table and perfect for this space. So I do have my beautiful peace lily here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop it in the center. I do have a few books here. Some of them are um, books about flowers and all the things that I do love. So I'm just going to add them. So some are about flowers, home decor, and gardening. Of course, love to garden. Do have these coasters, and of course they're in the black and white, which I just love. So I'm just gonna pop these here for whenever I have or I'm drinking any drinks, or if I have visitors over, that we can easily grab them from there. final reveal of my patio makeover. And oh my goodness, I am just so happy with the final result. My handy guy, it did such an amazing job with the floors. I absolutely love it. What do you guys think? Because oh my gosh, I just love it so much. I am so looking forward to spending Florida winters out here. Literally going to be living in this space for the coming months because the temperature around this time of the year in Florida is just so amazing. I'm just so happy and so thankful for this final makeover. It's the patio floors, especially of my dreams. I've been obsessing with this checkered pattern for months now, literally, actually, since last year. And yeah, to finally see it in person and have the patio all done up prior to Christmas time, I am just so happy. This is what the tabletop is looking like that we did paint, or that I did paint up. I did went ahead and gave it a fresh new coat of paint, and I absolutely love it. It looks brand new, and I just absolutely love that. I also did went ahead and paint up the credenza over here. As you can see, it is just looking so much better, brand new. So this is what the top is looking like, nice and fresh after a new coat of paint. And I did went ahead and add this basket down here, this rattan basket. I just love this print, or this material I should say. I just love it so much. So in there I am keeping some of my garden supplies. So like my little fertilizer, my little tools, all my little garden supplies I'm keeping in there. So I absolutely love that. These are the two paintings that I did purchase, or art that I did purchase from Home Goods for $15. And I did went ahead and paint the frame to black because I feel like it just looks so much better. Previously it was in this tan color, which I feel like didn't look, it looked kind of outdated. But as for now that I did went ahead and paint it, it just looks so much better. I'm so happy. So friends, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.